trying to film cooking dinner here, but I'm feeling annoyed just getting it all set up, and Fenny is driving me nuts. Alright, so let me test talking and explaining. So I'm making salmon with some spices, broccoli, and also a side salad. It's like a microgreens, wild arugula, and this is some type of Japanese mizuna. Just prepping some beets here that I roasted earlier today. A little bit, you know, get this whole dinner cooking process flowing a little better. Gonna steam the broccoli, got the salmon started. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this amazing salad. It really is actually amazing. Like, it's the only salad I really ever want to eat, and especially lately I'm kind of going through this beet salad kick. So basically this beet salad is going to consist of beets, feta cheese, pre-candied walnuts, cranberries, and also this very tasty dressing, which is the only salad dressing that I ever really want to make. Forgot the mustard. And then you can't see me. How am I supposed to do this? Huh? Move it back. I'll just bend here awkwardly and show you this tasty dressing. So it starts with a little tahini. This stuff separates, gets all oily on top in the jar. You're gonna wanna stir it up a little and get like a good dollop of that going on. All right, you can use this to wipe the hands. Oh, so then you add some olive oil, just like same amount as you did tahini, whatever. Add some vinegar. So sorry, this was tahini, olive oil, couple shakes of balsamic vinegar, a little bit of rice vinegar, but like white vinegar would be fine too. I have that here. You could have used that, or also apple cider vinegar, which, you know what? I'll put a little apple cider vinegar in there too. I just kind of like to have different, like just a well-rounded flavor profile. Honey, just got this beautiful jar of honey. Garlic, salt, pepper, sea salt. So it's kind of a honey mustard oil vinaigrette, but with tahini so it's creamy. Oh, lemon, yep, knew I forgot something. I should really work on that. So you just shake this up, and it's like so cool how it emulsifies and just becomes this beautiful creamy dressing. How do you make this look not ridiculous? Okay, sorry. So the salmon is already looking like quite perfect. I just pan fried it to have a nice crust on the outside, and then I put this cover on to steam it, and it's like perfect now.